Hi, welcome to Active Art, and today we're continuing on with the black and white series. Today I'm going to do a flip cup, and it's a 5x5 gesso board. And like with the rest of the black and white series, I'm going to do some thinner paints and some thicker. All black and white. Using some thicker and some thinner is a little more interesting when you're doing the tilting, because of course some move at different rates. But so far, it's been some interesting results, because of course they interact with each other in different ways as well. Alright, here we go, ready for the flip? And there we go. I'll give it a second to kind of go down. Bring it this way a little. And I usually do a little bit of drag with my flips. Alright, let's see what she likes to do here. I'm going to kind of let it do its own thing for a minute. I want to help it just a touch on the edges. Because if it's wanting to go on an edge, it should feel free to go on an edge. We hold our thumbs high and hope someone is kind enough to give us all a ride. And we wouldn't have a clue if we'd make it back to or even where we'd go. We don't need on everywhere is home. A Ford stopped on the street, said where you trying to be. We said we don't really care. We'll know it when we're there. We took on down the road. He flipped on his radio. Centuria started slow, so we knew that we were close. Home is where I can find some peace of mind and make my own way. I don't know where I will end. Had some bubbles in there. Guess the vacuum from the cup also gave us a little bit, a couple of cells. Let's see, let's come up this way. There's an edge over here. Edge here. Nice. Come back to the middle. Ah, nice. Nice, nice. Good. Yeah, we need this edge over here. There we go. Come on. Alright. I want to touch this one up with the paint that's fallen down. There you go. Nice. All right.
So like you have the different shades, some pretty bright, still white, and some of the blacks stayed intact. And then you have the different shades of gray in between. 50 Shades of Gray painting. There you go. Alright, thanks for stopping by, y'all. Hit subscribe. Check out the playlist for the black and white if you want to see more in this series. Have a great day.